Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying capability. Make sure the monitor and cable support the refresh rate you want, because unsupported cables or settings will fail. Once done, sign into an administrator account so changes can apply system-wide and close any full-screen programs that might lock display settings. Next, power on the monitor and check its on-screen display to note the current resolution and refresh rate. This tells you the target and prevents accidental overclocking beyond manufacturer limits. You now change the refresh rate inside the operating system. On Windows, open Display Settings, go to Advanced Display Settings, pick the correct monitor, then choose the refresh rate from the drop-down. Make sure resolution matches the monitor's native value. On macOS, go to System Settings Displays and hold Option while selecting Scaled to reveal available refresh rates. Also understand why. Some higher refresh rates need more bandwidth, so you may need to lower color depth or use a higher spec cable to achieve a stable output. You finish by applying the new rate and actively testing it with fast motion video or an online refresh test to confirm smoother motion. Once done, make sure to observe for flicker, artifacts, or blank screens. If that happens, revert the change quickly. Windows usually times out, otherwise reboot into safe mode to reset. If problems continue, update GPU drivers and monitor firmware, and try a different cable or port, because signal bandwidth and driver compatibility are often the root causes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.